again, Navdi.
Fastest route found to Early Bird Cafe.
You and me, we're busy people. And being busy means checking your phone, even when you're not supposed to. Even when you're on the road. But now there's Navdi. Hold on, I gotta get this. Casey, talk to me.
Hey Adam, quick reminder. First thing today is that coffee with Connie and Greg at the Early Bird.
Already on my way. See, what's brilliant about Navdi is that...
Faster route found, automatically rerouting to save 10 minutes.
Perfect. Never been this way before. Gonna switch to Navdi Dash. See, what's so brilliant about Navdi is its display is focused in the distance, so your eyes are never off the road. It's also 40 times brighter than your smartphone, and it dims automatically, so it's easy to see day or night. In fact, it works... Sorry, gotta take this one too.
Greg and I actually want to do Roy's Cafe out on 62, smiley face.
Oh, awesome. Luckily, Roy's is one of my favorites. Navdi uses Google Maps and built-in offline maps, so you'll never get lost, like out here in the desert. And it's connected to your car, which means that...
Low on gas. Rerouting to nearest gas station.
Text Connie, be there in 15.
You have arrived.
Thanks, Navdi.
Introducing SPT2, GPS tracking technology for athletes that's simple, powerful, and easy use. With pinpoint accuracy, you'll notice the difference in training and on game day. The unit is the smallest on the market, so it doesn't get in your way. With a 100 Hz IMU, including an accelerometer and gyroscope, and the latest 10 Hz GPS technology, combined with the SPT vest, the combination is made for comfort and durability. During a game or training, review your results in real time. Compare data with your team so you can see who goes the distance, pushes their intensity, or who hits top speed. Performance and injury management to keep players from overloading, help players maintain a high performance output, get players back on the field faster, and monitor intensity when players are sore. All of this in a simple, easy to use and understand user interface. Make the difference. Step up your game with SPT.
With chronic pain, it's the dawn of a new day. A medical breakthrough is opening up the doors to a whole new life. Introducing Quell, advanced pain relief that allows you to regain what chronic pain has taken from you and reclaim the joy in your life. Quell is 100% drug-free and FDA cleared. It's wearable pain relief. Quell uses leading-edge neurotechnology to bring widespread chronic pain relief 24 hours a day, even while you sleep.
Quell is a total paradigm shift in chronic pain relief. Quell relieves chronic pain like back pain, arthritis pain, nerve pain, leg and foot pain, and more. Quell stimulates sensory nerves in your upper calf. Neural pulses are carried to your brain, triggering the release of natural pain blockers that block pain signals in your body. The results are astonishing and life-changing. In a clinical trial, an incredible 81% of Quell users reported improvement in chronic pain, and 67% reported a reduction in their pain medication.
Quell was developed by Neurometrics with origins in the labs of MIT. Neurometrics has already helped over 2 million patients since 1998. Quell is easy to use. Simply strap it on your upper calf and click the button to experience relief whenever you need it. It's slim, lightweight, and discreet. You can wear it under your clothes. An easy-to-use app even gives you control over the pain relief when you need it. It's your turn to experience relief from chronic pain.
This is the Sobro Side Table, the next generation of furniture designed for your connected lifestyle. Packed with tons of smart features, the Sobro Side Table is the ultimate upgrade to your bedroom or living room. Thanks to the support of over 2,000 backers, we successfully shipped the Sobro coffee table last October. Now, with your feedback and support, we're raising the bar with our next generation product, the Sobro side table. Need a cold drink in the middle of the night? No worries. The built-in cooler drawer has you covered, and there's also a locking storage drawer too. In the bedroom, the Sobro side table is a next generation nightstand that pairs with our app to improve your sleep. Our app helps you sleep better with a white noise generator and wake up easier with LED lights that simulate sunrise. A motion activated light bar on the front of the table goes on when you get up, so there's no need for a nightlight. Play some bedtime tunes or set the mood. Stream your Bluetooth audio from your phone through the built-in speakers. Or, for even richer sound, you can sync two side tables together. Stay powered up with the built-in wireless charging. We've also added 4 USB ports and 2 outlets on the back so you can charge all your devices. And our cord management system keeps everything nice and organized. Add colorful ambience to your environment with the LED accent lights. Choose your favorite color through our app or control the lights right from the back of the table. With your input, we've created the Sobro side table to complement your busy lifestyle and help you improve your quality of sleep. Whether you use it as an end table or a nightstand, the Sobro side table is designed to support your always connected lifestyle. Finally, furniture designed to multitask. We have a working prototype and have all our manufacturing partners in place. All we need now is your help to start the final production and start shipping the Sobro side table to your home. Please back us today and help make the Sobro side table a reality.
Hi, I'm Max and I'm a designer. In next 2 minutes I'm gonna invite you to meet NoRika. NoRika is a smart e-bike and our vision is to make it affordable for all people around the world. Let's take a look.
This is NoRika, an electric bicycle, and beautifully the most affordable carbon fiber smart electric bike ever. With 3 model ranges, Street, Street Plus, and Homey, all under $1,000. You can ride NoRika as a normal bike with the 10-speed Shimano gears, or enjoy the luxury and the real joy of the 500 watts electric hub motor to go further and beyond effortlessly. You can cruise smoothly through your neighborhood at up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour, and with a range of up to 50 miles or 80 kilometers on a single charge. NoRika makes every journey an exciting experience. NoRika is a beautifully designed smart e-bike with a very lightweight yet extremely strong monocoque carbon fiber frame and a powerful motor at an affordable price, with unique and recognizable silhouette featuring a cutting-edge technology and packed with mind-blowing options. NoRika is not a downhill bike, but it doesn't mean we haven't pushed it too hard and break its limits. Introducing NoRika Heartbeat Assist. When activated, the faster heartbeat you get, the more assist you get from the motor automatically. This mode gives you 3 pedal assist levels based on your heartbeat rate. You can also calibrate the percentage of assist you would like to receive using the NoRika app.
We have already built several prototypes and been testing them over and over. Now, all we need is your support to start the production and bring the NoRika to you. Thanks for watching.
NoRika, the future is here. Let's ride along.